welcome back to my channel. I have not been here in so long, and I'm back because there's another bun in the oven. This has been my mommy page for about 10 years, and I haven't put a video on here in a couple of years. So I'm really excited because today we are unboxing our birth kit. So baby boy will be born in about 6 weeks, maybe 5 to 6 weeks, or whenever he decides to come out. And we're doing a home birth. This is my second home birth. And so this one is completely planned out that we're doing it ourselves. And so I'm very, very excited. We got our box in the mail the other day. And we use In His Hands because when I worked with the birth center, that's who they had a birth kit with. And so I just went back to what I knew I could trust. Okay, so doing a home birth is not as hard as most women and families think that it is. It's important that you know what's going on when you have a birth, and what are they using in the hospitals, what are they using in the birth centers to actually prepare you in the environment for birthing your baby. Okay, so that's kind of what we're going to go through. I have not went through this box at all, so it's really exciting, and my honey's here to help us with this. This is my lovely husband, Noble. Are you excited, baby?
Yes, very excited.
Yeah?
Very
Okay.
So much fun.
Okay. So he opened it the other day when it came in, but we didn't like go through it. So we kind of customized our kit. They have like deluxe kits and all that stuff that you can customize. So this kit is customized. And I thought it was so cute, of course. On top, there's a labor prayer, which we all need, okay? Yep, so in my kit, I put the herbal afterbirth bath. So these herbs can be used after you have baby, whether you have a doula or not, or you have family members who wanna come in, you can boil this herb mixture and put it in your bath and soak. I don't know how many times we can do this, but you need 1 cup of herbs. So you probably, just off site, you probably can get 4 to 6 soaks after baby. And that's important because your body has stretched out all the way. So now you can use these plant essentials to kind of help you start snapping back. Okay, so that's one thing that's in there. Of course, things like surgical sponges, which is gauze. You need that. Who knows what you'll need that for? And this is really cute. This came in the kit. It is an official birth certificate that you would put baby's name, who the baby's born to, who attended, your midwife would be there, or if you did an unassisted birth, you can write that yourself. But this is a good way to calculate or document baby's date of birth, time of birth, weight, length, and the place that the baby was born. We can do this at home. We don't have to have the hospitals for that unless that's what we elect to do. Okay, and they even have little foot stamps. So we gotta get some little baby foot stamp ink. I don't know if it's in here, we'll see. Okay, these are our receipts with all of our stuff. We look like this is some real official like medical stuff. So that was just more sponges. We got a little kit here with all the little tiny stuff in there, like surgical lube or just lube in general. This is, yeah, a surgical lubricant. So this would probably be good for, I imagine you can use it at the Yanni as a lubricant to kind of get your body ready. Or if you just need a massage after that. I'm definitely gonna research more of what this is and the ingredients in here, because I already see contains chlorhexidine. You're better with words, baby. What's that?
It is chlorhexidine gluconate.
Gluconate. Okay, so we don't even know what that is. Okay. We don't even know what that is. So we're gonna research everything that's in here and make sure it's stuff that we want to use, because we already have a natural lubricant that we like. So we'll use that instead. In the kits, you can put whatever you want in there. So I just asked for 2 straws. We have straws, but the straws are there for when you're birthing and you want to hydrate yourself. That's all this is for. It's nothing special. Okay. And umbilical cord clamps. This is stuff that would be in the hospital. This is what would be in the birth center. And I got 2, just in case, because you know things be happening. We be clumsy. We're nervous. Dad's gonna be nervous. Maybe clamping the umbilical cord. And so I just got 2 just in case. And then we have a ton of sterile alcohol prep pads. We don't know what we need that for, but we're gonna do it because it's in a lot of the birth kits. And then this is the tape measure to measure baby's length. Super simple but accurate. Most babies are not over 24 inches. If we birth one over 24 inches, y'all just be ready for the world, okay? We're ready for this little young giant to come. But that's all you need to measure your baby. You don't need anything super fancy. So we're gonna keep all this small stuff together. And of course, you got your bulb syringe. When baby comes out, baby has been living in water for the last 40+ weeks. So this is used to pull any water out of the nose and even the mouth or the ears, even if necessary. So that's what this is for. All this stuff will stay sealed until we need it so that it's clean and it's hygienic. Okay. And these are the blunt scissors. This is to cut the umbilical cord. So look, y'all, we can purchase this stuff and have it at home. It's not like you have to go to a hospital or a birth center to do that. You have access to getting what you need to do a home birth. So we're excited about that. These are adult diapers, postpartum diapers pretty much, or postpartum panties, shall I say. So after baby has come, there's gonna be a lot of liquids and bloods coming through. So this is just for mom to wear afterwards. I'm thinking about getting some Thinks. They do have Thinks postpartum, which are the super innovative underwear that women can wear now when they're on their cycle, and it captures everything. It captures, it doesn't capture blood clots, but when a woman's menstruating or, you know, a young teenager, it's catching the blood and you don't have to wear pads, you don't have to do this little insert thing, the little cup. Now you can just wear underwear. I really like that. I like that a lot. I've never tried them, so I'm thinking we are gonna order some for after baby. Okay, so we got a ton more of these little surgical sponges. I just put a ton in there because who knows what we need them for. We may even need them afterwards just because we have babies and accidents happen. These are latex gloves. We've got a ton of those too. I just hit a number and was like, okay, get a dozen of them. And so these are singles. They're not even, yeah, I think it's just one. I don't even think it's a pair. So everything's sealed up. It's the size medium. Hopefully that works for our birth team. And if not, we'll have something else. Maybe you think you're gonna need some gloves. I think you can touch me and the baby without gloves. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I don't want to unfold these very much, but ladies, if you have had a pap smear, you know exactly what this is. It's a little lined cloth that has a waterproof layer in there. And so this is what we'll lay out in the environment that we're gonna birth the baby, because again, when baby comes, that amniotic fluid is gonna come, blood is gonna come, different fluids and liquids are gonna come. So this is a disposable way to discard all the mommy watas. More sponges. Okay, this is a perineum bottle. It says cleansing bottle on there. This is amazing. Do you want to know why? If you have never birthed out of your vagina or birthed, if you have never birthed, the yoni expands so much to let that baby out. And then when you go pee and your pee is like really acidic, you want to dilute your pee. So you actually fill this up after birthing baby, your first couple days, maybe 4 days, you're gonna put some warm water in here and squirt as you pee so that that pee doesn't sit on your just expanded skin, because it burns. It really burns. I remember the first time nobody told me that. And I was like peeing and I was like, oh my God, it hurts down there. It was like, oh, here's a bottle. Put some warm water in there and you just hold it. and squeeze it while you're urinating, and it helps your own urine not to sit on your skin and burn you. So this is a godsend. That's the number one reason it's in my birth kit. I'm sure there are other reasons to use it. And mamas and doulas and midwives, if you're watching this, put it in the comments and help further new moms and expecting moms on what they can use this for. Maybe teach me something. All right, I have no idea why I brought these maxi pads. I probably am not gonna use them. I'm probably gonna donate it to a center because y'all, I like organic cotton if I'm gonna use anything like that. And like I said, I'm really thinking about using the Thinx. So these underwear that you can just wash, like that means no less trash for the earth, like better for the earth. So I don't even know why I bought these, but they're in here. Okay, babe, we got maxi pads. Okay, these are more of the waterproof liners. Well, that was more of a liner, but these are the pads. These could double as little doggy pads if we don't use them all. Not that we have a dog, but who knows. It looks like we have about 2 dozen of them. I just bought a few more. I like to have more than enough. And so that's what these are. So we have these, and these will even be nice if we don't use them for the birth. We can put them under baby when we change him, because I heard boys are different. Boy moms, can y'all tell me in the comments what do I need to expect about changing boys? Because I've only changed girls, so I don't know what to expect. Do y'all winkies just be flying all over the place? Just
Might get peed on the face.
Well, good, I can open this up and be like, shield. Okay. All right. In this one, we have a easy scrub. So it's a surgical scrub brush and sponge. I saw it. It's antiseptic. Oh, it has that word in there again, baby. Chlorhexidigluconate. It's used for pre-operative cleansing of a healthcare professional's arms and hands. So, you know, when you see when they tell them go scrub up, this is what would be used. Who knows who would need this? It's in here just in case, because we want to have a very sterile, clean space when baby comes. Okay? Scrub up. All right, y'all, this is really important. I did not have this with one of my water births before. And so this is actually a shower adapter to go onto our water hose that we have so that we can easily fill up the birthing pool. Okay, so this is just an adapter. It's gonna go on our shower head. We're gonna take our shower head off, put this on, and then that will connect to our water hose that we got. So we got a water hose. Yep, it's 25 feet, so that's plenty of room to reach from the shower to our birthing space. And then my husband's gonna figure out everything else. I don't know anything else about that, but I knew that it was logical to have it. Okay, so I think this is a baby hat, the little hat after baby's born. Of course, y'all know I'm a mama. Virgo South Node, I'm gonna wash this before I put it on my child. And these are the other little postpartum underwear. Yeah, that's what it is. These are really nice because you don't want to mess up your pretty panties that you have. So right after you have baby, like seriously right after you have baby and you put your pads on or you put your adult diapers on, you would put this over it to hold everything in place. So it has that nice stretchy material, so it's breathable, but it's gonna hold everything in place for you. Okay, so you don't mess up your pretty clothes. So we're gonna wash that, honey. All right, I'm sure if you have an elder at home like I did growing up, or you've been in a hospital, you've seen this iodine prep solution. I have no idea what we would need it for, but it's here. Iodine is good for skin preparation. So it says it's a fast-acting, broad-spectrum, and persistent antiseptic containing preparation that significantly reduces the number of microorganisms on intact skin. So that's more so for prepping the skin and just making sure it's nice and clean. So we do have this. It was in a birth kit before, so I just got it just in case. And this looks like the last thing. So we are using, we're getting a birth pool in a box. This is the one we got. We're working with a local doula to rent from her, and all we needed to get additional was the liner. So that's what this is. Birth in a box. And this is the liner. The liner itself was about $50, but we don't need a birthing pool. I'm not currently taking clients where I'm doing births as a doula, so we're just renting the pool for, you know, the time that we expect baby to come. So we're actually picking up the pool this weekend or next week, early next week. And then this liner will go over it and make it very clean and hygienic for us to have our baby in a space that many people have had their baby. Okay, so that's what's in our birth box. And that is not every single thing that I think of you need for birthing. I have some herbs on the way that help with hemorrhaging, that help with pain management, and that also helps if the baby's heartbeat drops. So I'm gonna share that with you in the next video that we get on. You got anything you wanna say, baby?
Nope.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, that sounds really confident and strong. Okay, so we're gonna put all of this stuff back, and remember, everything's sealed. And so if you have young children at home, I would recommend that you put this box away so that you don't have to worry about your precious items being opened and turned into hospital at home. Because if you have babies like I do, you know they will make a play date out of anything, a box, the items in it, everything. So we're gonna put this stuff away and make sure it's nice and safe. I actually think I want to do a afterbirth bath, and I didn't even tell you guys what's in there. It's comfrey, lavender, shepherd's purse, uva ursi, plantain, red raspberry, yarrow, and sea salt. So that's a really good blend. I think the only one I want to look up, the only one I'm concerned about is plantain. My Aboriginal physician told me to stay away from plantain while pregnant, so maybe it's okay for after birth. But, and I know she said that internally. So I'm going to do all my research. I cannot emphasize on that enough. As a parent, research everything that touches your skin, that goes in your body, everything that goes in your husband's body. Like, research it. You need to know. You need to know how that's going to affect you long-term, short-term, and all that good stuff. So this is fun. I'm so excited. Our goal is to share as much of this journey these last couple weeks and just show you what it's like to actually prepare for home birth. And our next video is going to be a prenatal visit from our midwife. I'm so excited for that. And then I have a couple more ideas that I want to share with you all. Okay, so make sure you subscribe if this is very helpful, and if you're looking for tips and tricks that support motherhood at home and just really being the queen goddess of like what's going on in your house. Like, that's what this channel is all about. Okay, so this is Gabrielle Zelina and my wonderful husband, Noble, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.